Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com and this is search icon. Just click on it and then enter the model number of your graphic card AORUS RTX 509 AI box. Then click on the product. So this is your motherboard. Click on it. This is your box. After click on support. Then select your OS driver, Windows 10 and 11. So NVIDIA driver and click to download. When you click to download, it will start downloading. You can see and wait few seconds. Might be 4 to 5 minutes and your depend about your internet. Okay, and after click on three dot and go to download. So you can see it is start downloading and this is size. So after it is completed, then click on this icon. After it open this location where it is downloading. Okay. Then right click and run as administrator. If you are Windows 10, so show more and then click on run as administrator. After that click on yes. And then click on install. After that this is extracting to your system. Now you can see this is installing, so it will take some time and it is close. After install then close it.